with it. The more pure and refined his nature, the more conscious he becomes of his relationship with the Tao. When he realizes that he is one with the Tao, he has become fully enlightened.
三以心传心口传心手，以老之心传于众生之真心，此者老的分灵之心也。
C. The third treasure, the symbolic seal 1. In Chinese, Pa means to combine and Tun means all together. The symbolic seal, which is formed by the two hands joined together, is the golden seal, which is formed by the two hands joined together, is the golden seal which unites us with God. It is like a contract or mutual agreement, which is the actual meaning of Hatun between you and your Heavenly Mother. It acts as a signal, password, or passport. It is a spiritual instrument of identification, as well as symbol with many ramifications. 2. When you hold the symbolic seal, you are united with God. 3. The left hand is good, so it is placed on the outside, covering the right hand. The right hand is often used for evil purposes, such as beating and killing. The right hand is placed on the inside because of its evil propensities and is shielded by the left hand.